Hey everybody, Professor K, TK Consulting Your Empire. How are you? So, the world is heavy right now. You don't need me to come on and say that. Heat, pressure, pain, and silence. What if kindness was just $45 away? 2 bottles of wine equals $20. 2 Starbucks runs equals $20. That $45 could help somebody. A coworker lost a loved one. A neighbor got bad medical news. A friend is quietly struggling. A $25 gift card, a meal from their favorite spot, a note that says, "I see you." It's not about the money. It's about the moment. You don't need a reason, just a heart. Food for thought. This is your sign. Give, heal, repeat. And let's make this world a little kinder right now, because we all need it. Have a great Monday.